like, it's sports, how fun.
And we get to hear from them. And also, if you're watching here on midday, we're going to be able to kind of get into that every day starting next week. At the end of our show, we'll get to kind of like tease what they're talking about. We'll get some of it too to help you get right over there to WFA Plus. So that's awesome. We're excited about that.
So exciting. Yeah.
I'm excited for my afternoon nap because you say that there might be some thunderstorms. That's my favorite.
Yeah. It's going to be cloudy. It's warm and humid out there. So, we don't love that feeling.
We don't.
But those are a couple ingredients needed for a thunderstorm development. And we could see that today. What I'm seeing right now, though, is that there's what's called a strong cap in place. You hear us talking about that all the time. Basically, what it means is that thunderstorms will struggle to form under these circumstances. And you can kind of tell right here. You see this little shower popping up, and then it quickly fizzles away because it just doesn't have enough energy to get going. Mostly cloudy the rest of the day. We do see a few little showers out there here and there, maybe a few pockets of drizzle. You may be driving and see a few sprinkles on your windshield. It's just one of those days. I did see a little more activity closer to the Red River, but even then, it just looks like this. Cloudy outside, temperature right now of 74 degrees with a south wind at about 10 to 15. Okay, so this is what could happen. If these thunderstorms get going at around 3, we could see very scattered activity. I'm only keeping about 30% coverage of rain in the forecast for today. I'm going to take you to about 5. You see this coverage still at about a 30%, maybe an isolated strong storm here or there. I am expecting this coverage to be on the low side. Now, after about 5, a few models indicating that we could see some better activity coverage-wise from Wichita Falls to Archer City. This would be the area to watch for the potential of strong storms this afternoon. But then as the sun sets, a lot of this activity starts to kind of wind down, and then it completely goes away for tonight. So while the potential for severe weather is very low, there is a slight, that's a level 2 risk out of 5 for the potential of strong storms north of DFW. The Storm Prediction Center has including Denton and Collin County. I'm more so thinking it's going to be a bit more towards the northwest for this afternoon and evening. Thursday, rain free. Friday, most of the day rain free. I just took you through Friday, just some cloud cover, but Friday night is that day that we're looking at, or that time frame that we're looking at for our next round of rain after today. And this is around 3 in the morning. You see this front kind of working its way into North Texas, about 40% coverage. This front is going to close in on DFW at around 6 in the morning on Saturday. And along this front, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible. Now, this particular model does have us indicating a bit heavier rain at times, but this front pushing through between 6 to about 9. And as this front pushes more towards the southeast, could cause some strong storms in southeast Texas. Not for us, though. Around noon, we could see some scattered showers in the area, but really going to be drying out as we head into Sunday and eventually that cool down. So only a few of us will see the rain, but everyone gets it on the cooler weather. Look at this, 87 degrees on Thursday, 85 Friday, and then we take a dip with highs only in the 60s on Saturday and Sunday. But let me point something out. Friday, a high of 85. Sunday morning is when we're going to be our coolest. And at that point, the temperature drops to about 48 degrees. So when you take Friday afternoon's high temperature and then compare it to Sunday morning's low temperature, we could be dealing with a nearly 40-degree temperature drop or difference. So it will feel noticeably cooler for us. And that cooler weather kind of sticks around as we head into early next week as well. So just to take you through the next couple of days, again, today, you could see an afternoon thunderstorm, but it's not guaranteed for everyone, a high near 80. We warm up. It's going to be warm, cloudy, and humid the next couple of days, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Saturday morning is when our next best opportunity for rain is, and that kind of lingers throughout the morning. Temperatures will take a dip into the upper 60s, with the coolest spot of the weekend being Sunday morning. It will be rain free, though. And then next week, we are looking at temperatures staying in the 70s with the potential for rain, maybe middle part of next week, but chances for that are looking slim. And it does look like we are drier, calmer, and a bit more mild temperature wise as we head towards the end of April. Morgan?
All right, Mariel, thank you.